This post narrates the SofTac adaptation for the 412. Brought in from the Strike Hornet project as we have these web browsers and GIS solutions. There's 3 in each panel, and the Super Hornet doesn't have a tech crewman like the helicopter does, so that fills in for the role as the photographer would in high altitude photography, and here we see the commander, etc. So we're taking one of these panels, and by moving the torque and VSI over to the blank spots, gives us a room for the implementation that's web driven, and this is actually available to the programming community through Microsoft's extensibility layer, which is a little past the scope of this project, but would appear here in the virtual cockpit. So what I've done is I've taken a screenshot and basically sized it to the level we'd see in the cockpit, and the software comes up through this laptop presentation showing the air-to-air, air-to-ground modes and the stored attacks, which are available through internet technologies. And the 412 as well has quite a civilian user base, so it makes a good segue to the 408 experience, and I've got a repaint with accelerated solutions. And the middle ground would be this tactical scheme with the accelerated solutions roundel on the back, so sort of the military-industrial complex scale down, if you will. And bringing in from the soft air community, I have the McFarland military prop as a staging base, and the tactical airsoft with the online supplies to kit the guy out. But the focus is really on the software and communications layers brought into the Griffin through this FSX repaint. And this particular model has CRV7 pods on the back, similar to the F-18 and the tracker used to carry. So to blend the digital world and the streaming video resources, I've built this HUD out of CD-ROM jewel case and some cardboard, but what it does is it shows a combining lens in action. And that's a good segue over to the scoping mechanism used by the UH-1 gunships of Vietnam fame. And they were really the predecessor to the 212 Twin Huey than the 412. So here we see some Vietnam area footage for a rocket attack clipped off of YouTube. And this is the combining lens through the camera, segueing over to our webcam combining lens, and this crosshairs are actually projected off a computer screen. So we'll just close out with rocket attack and the winger in the lead, and we'll end the show here.